Hey guys, Cody here with the Eastwood Company. Today, we're talking about hand tools. You've seen us offer hand tools in the past, but this time, we did it right. We got a complete offering here. There's no missed sizes. It's all tool truck quality, and they're all backed by a lifetime warranty. We offer 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive, both shallow and deep sockets. They're all 6-point, so you're knocking around fasteners. And our ratchets are 72 tooth, so you only need a 5-degree swing to be able to tighten or loosen a bolt. Another unique tool we have is our 3/8 drive flex head ratchet. It lets you get into tight spots, angled, where you may not be able to fit your standard ratchet, and it locks in its angled positions, so that way you're not constantly fighting it as you're loosening or tightening a bolt. Our breaker bar, it's 1/2 inch drive, it's 24 inches long, and it'll take some serious weight. So if you got to bust loose a suspension component like a leaf spring, you know it's going to get the job done. We also offer 3 bit sets. We have SAE, metric, and Torx. I use the Torx set all the time on my Jeep projects. Anything like interior components, engine fasteners, bumper bolts, you'll be able to get the job done with these. For extensions, we've got 3 sets. The 1/4 inch comes with one 2-inch, one 3-inch, one 6-inch, and one 10-inch extension. It also comes with a universal joint. The 3/8 drive kit comes with an 1 3/4 inch, a 3-inch, a 6-inch, a 10-inch, and a universal joint. And the 1/2 inch drive kit comes with a 3-inch, a 6-inch, a 10-inch, and one universal joint. A key staple to any toolbox is a good set of wrenches, and we've got you covered. We've got 4 sets. We have a standard and ratcheting in both SAE and metric, and they're complete. You're not missing an 18mm or a 15mm or an 11/16. You're gonna have every size you need to get the job done. When it comes time to get these tools in your box, we also offer our socket rail trays. They're gonna keep your sockets neat and organized, and I like to set them up with 2. One SAE and one metric. That way, depending on the project, I can take my tools right there where I need them. So as you can see, we got one heck of a tool line now. It's all tool truck quality, there's no missing sizes, and it's all backed by a lifetime warranty. For information on what you see here and more, visit eastwood.com.